Hi traders, in today's psychology and trading video, we're going to be looking at how to master your emotions with the W principle. Today's video is part 3 out of the 4-part video series, and we'll be looking at specifically how do you apply this W principle. This and more in this video. Hi traders, thank you for joining the Master the Markets team in our psychology and trading video today and supporting us in our mission to spread the truth of trading and help you achieve consistent performance. It is Tune Upon here, founder of Master the Markets Elite Trades Conference and the Traders Open Day. So today we're going to be looking at how do we apply this W principle, mainly the application. We looked at what in the first part, why in the second, and today the application. If you haven't watched the previous videos, I highly encourage you guys to go and watch that, okay? So now, what does the application process look like? It's a 3-part process, traders. It's a 3-part process. The first part of this application of this witness principle is firstly what we call, in Sanskrit, we call it Shravanam. Shravanam basically means, it's like listening, okay? Listening and reading. Now, this is what I've mentioned over here. Now, why have I put this gentleman's picture? If some of you recognize who he is, some of you might know he's very well known for the book, The Power of Now. Okay, some of you might know about that book. His name is Eckhart Tolle. Eckhart Tolle, very well known by the book, Power of Now. So anything, why did I mention this? Why am I writing this? Because you see, in Shravanam, where you're reading and listening, you might be reading books, and one book that you can definitely read is The Power of Now. And then the other one is on listening to podcasts or even watching today. There's so many YouTube videos that you can watch on this W principle, on the witness principle, to establish yourself in the witness, the subject, in observing the ever-changing thought flow and managing them better.
If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that like icon. If you haven't joined our channel yet, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications immediately when we post up quality content like this, and especially to get our live trading updates sent directly to your phone.
So you can establish this W principle and be established more in the witness by reading. And one book I highly recommend, which helps you get into that witness principle, is The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle, or listening to podcasts or watching videos on this witness principle. That's the first part on the how application. So reading, listening, or watching. Okay. Now, the second thing is what we call mananam. Now, mananam basically means in Sanskrit, what we call is contemplation. Okay, contemplation. So what are you actually contemplating about over here? On why is it that you are the witness? Why is it that you are the witness? How is it that you are the witness? You know, and how does it help you in managing your thoughts better, getting more efficient, having more focus, having more discipline, all that stuff, which is contemplation. Okay, through contemplation, what happens is, traders, your thoughts get more refined and reorientated so that your mind is not very heavy and clouded, but it becomes single pointed. It becomes very light and more laser focused and single pointed towards a single driven purpose. Okay, so that is what contemplation helps you towards. And part of the contemplation could be including reminders, trading reminders, sticky notes, post notes, sticky notes, you know, putting in front of your desk on what you should be doing. Don't think about one trade, think open equity, you know, all these reminders, think edge. Why should your strategy, you know, sustain its edge over the long term? All these things, so that you always come from a space of peace and equanimity, and you can execute your plan flawlessly. Okay. So that is the second part, which is contemplation, or in other words, in Sanskrit, we call it mananam. Okay.
For those of you who are unsure of any of the terminology or the concepts in this video, watch our free Trader Starter Pack 5-day video course as shown in Empire Cinema. It is educational, entertaining, and covers basics and advanced content with cross-transferable principles for trading and investments. It pertains to both beginners and intermediate traders, all dedicated towards helping you achieve consistent performance. Go ahead and register for it on the link below.
The last step of the 3 steps in this how application is called, in Sanskrit, is called Nityasanam. Now, what does that mean? Basically, that means, which is in today's modern world, is very well known today even by big hedge fund traders, achievers, leaders who are practicing all of this. It's called silent sitting, or you can call it meditation if you want to as well. Now, part of the silent sitting and meditation involves also some breathing techniques as well, in and out, to also bring your mind to more calmness and quietude. Okay, so breath, in other words, in Sanskrit we call it pranayam. Okay, so that's what we have mentioned over here. So either breath, pranayam, and silent sitting in combination, it becomes more effective. Okay, so this is the 3-part process in which you can apply this witness principle, where you get more established in the witness and you're able to manage your thoughts much better, and therefore your thoughts get more refined and you achieve your results much more better and faster as well. Okay, so just a recap on this application principle is the first part being Shravanam, which is listening and reading as well, and watching if you may too. And one example or one book that you can get your hands on this witness principle as well is called The Power of Now, or another really great trading book is called Trading in the Zone. I would highly encourage that as well. The second one is called Mananam, which is contemplation, okay, including reminders and sticky notes. And the last one is called the Nityasanam, which involves breath and regulating your breath so that your mind goes quiet and you go into silent sitting and establish yourself in the witness. Okay, right. So all of this, in the next part, we will look at, one guided practice where we will guide you to establishing yourself in the witness principle. So that'd be really good. That'd be really exciting. So I look forward to seeing you guys in the next part of the video series. All right, that's all from me for now on this video. And as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.
If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.